Hello guys, this is Ian. I come back to update the WBS form to ISO 15609 and 15614, the WBS qualification and how to develop WBS. As shown here, we saw in the lesson 6, we have update information in the yellow cell with information the job no work order, project, client name and address update by user. Another information like company or individual relation to be updated by us, like your address, your name, your qualification, and relation copy show in the WBS. This is option show to you, but when product delivery to you, we have to update this information. Where information shown here will be updated in there. Here the license copy, they're up to you. If you don't want to see this one in your WBS folder site, you can arrange the page around and adjust bring area by your side. This is adjusting updates you in the license 6. And which one update from us, I will to update to you seriously. How many fields we have in this form? Where location status and hide, that means you will be here, and hidden will be this one under hidden. So we need to unhide and show this form for you. Okay, one by one to update to you. For lesson and hide the date, start and hide here with summary or data, and to be updated input data by manual updates. Okay, this list hidden, this WBS list, the list we have has updates automatically when we choose it from the database. Cover page support for submission and bidding process. AR form hidden already his input calculation and his calculation when support you calculation how to determine 3-dimension and 3-dimension and get a factor, how to determine precision and maximum interval temperature. You can take from there almost a follow EN1011. The BWBS form we follow this ISO 15609 part 1 standards update to you with the data by guess from the data we summary already. And WBS we have how many form? Now we show for you the form MG1, MG, M21 and S11. We unhide, you can see this form for one process, single process, multi-process, 2-process, or 3-process. So I will update you in the data how to manual update for you. Another form, this is the WBQR. So that's one. We're using the wedding procedure qualification course for single, multi, and multi-tree. And one free form you can manual edit. Additional form for BWBS and WBS we will free unlock for you. And in case of addition and additional information by manual yourself, if there are any embed from our form. Okay, we go through the data 6. Okay, in the data 6, we some item fixed already. Item fixed already, you can do and update your database. So easy, huh? Almost we using the common formula function. You need to focus and easy and make by yourself, but this is the take time to make it. So we show this product. Okay, when we come back and how many we show for you? B6 $15 by 2 by 4. Okay, the first one we focusing the WBS number 1. We have using for the demo WBS. From this cell, from cell number 2 until to N6 to be updated by yourself. Okay, what this cell number? Okay, you need to update until cell 98 or maybe 96 maybe for you, and let I update for you for specific order made by yourself. You can ignore this information, update the manufacturer, and there is this very important show up in the form manufacturer and express. Or you might change a letterhead, but up to you. Make sure that on each variable so in the ISO 15609 enough. Yeah. Okay, we buy the data, the WBS, yes, we have it updates and the date of issue to be updated here. Qualification to and reference to, yeah. The qualification to, that means we refer to 15609 and but one edition to be updated here. And reference to, we have different qualification from 156, 156, 110 until 15614. Up to you option, but almost follow 15614. A BQR number process, and here we have two type of process from cell 10, 11, and 12. Here, which process for multi-process you apply here, and without you can example you can delete this out. Okay, for example, in the burst wheel for pay or burst wheel for place waiting position, I recommend using different the waiting position is better for you, because when we subject to development of WBS for flex position different with vertical position. Flex position and horizontal might be the same weighting variable, but a little bit changing in the groove angle level different. Example for, let us show you example for GTIW we made from here. The degree up to 60 degrees, 60 degrees. But at another position, you make the bevel differently at the horizontal at BC position in the burst wheel on place difference. And we make for FCIW different with GTIW as score in the US standards. This is stick or mismatch different. Okay. And we need the joint sketch and show information how to make the piece up and the technical qualification in the T1 and T2 to get good face and grow and go and close and go qualifies this T3 and waiting sequence to be applied. But I think this is better show information to compare with the US standards. US standards are easy. We make the crew where all the fuelers were here. We have dedicated different for the fearless well different with the burst well qualification. We should be separately in the WBS. Here we suppress for the fearless well different weighting position here you see. And when we suppress here, that means the weighting parameter will be differently. Yeah, and his boost to be the cost during qualification. So that means I will to show you another topic. And here material qualified thickness, the thickness you input here, the throw technique you may input here up to you. That means when we qualify perimeter technique and throw technique, only apply for the feeless wheel throw technique, and but we're not required outside diameter to be updated here. Weeding precision F is read for flex precision, H horizontal, V vertical, O is overhead precision. Okay, the welding progress. In chaos, we saw here 4 flat and horizontal known as. First, we stack the vertical up or vertical down. We have to update the welding progress uphill or downhill. And building material design is used to prepare exactly the material qualified reference to standards, and you get from the PQR qualification, and then group number refer to 1560A qualification group number, or referently another standard for Japanese standards, American standards, and European standard. Differently, you can refer to them. Safety preparation by grading machining up to Japanese. They are not essential. A little bit for bevel with single bevel and double bevel easy made by manual casting or machining easy. But when we're using the U bevel, groove bevel, and child bevel differently, we have to make precision by machining. And packing material, yes, our process apply for this in the root pass. So notice where apply with the Foucault and math process to be applied for the metal backing. I say yes, but on the flex thick welding not quite. So in case of not apply for backing material, so we need to check the groover and root gap. This one not required for metal backing, so the back going to be applied. Here, you see the root gap maximum 3 millimeter. In case of the backing, we show here example. We show different the technique from the root gap here. Root gap we take from 4 to 8 millimeter, and we reduce include angle to be reduced. So unit sphere with a tool and practice on product. Yeah, when we apply a closing and writing back well to be statement the depth and sharp, how many millimeter to take it out up to your qualification, and the minimize of solidification crack with the depth. You can see. Okay, for gas design, you follow either 14175, A1 for 100 argon shielding gas, or C1 100% carbon dioxide. Follow rare design for packing. This almost material use the carbon steel and mild steel. So we stack here none. That's known as maybe with or without. If you say with backing, you have a detail the backing gas backing or float backing and composition here with the follow rate application. And next one we can say the preheat temperature. There are some material with high temperature. Different the range example from less than 20 millimeter, from 25 or 20 or 25 up to 38 millimeter. We have to apply different reheat temperature and maintenance reheat temperature to be so long. You need the information show not enough here. You need to show in the remark column example I show here, not one and not two for material reheat for the T thickness less than 55 millimeter, a minimum for less than 38 millimeter and more than 38 millimeter. We should be state, maybe use take note here and refer to in the north location. Okay, interbar temperature. You follow the Asia standards and qualified standards, and almost not more than 50 degree. 50 degrees C and not lower than 50 degrees C for preheat temperature. This one very important for material rupture. Rupture very important. That's the reason I show you. I need to show you a calculation. Here, when material subject different material, you need to update information here. Example, we take for calculation carbon equivalent CET. Yeah, CET different with CEV. CET to determine preheat temperature, minimize hydrogen induced cracking, and CEV minimize for hardening cracking. So in this case, you subject to preheat and minimize for hardening cracking. You take different the formula, and we need to determine the 2-dimension or 3-dimension follow this. And by on preheat temperature, weighing barometer, and heating good technique. When we got exactly technique here, you can show in the his follow to a 3-dimension. After that, we check the form of well configuration from here. Example, we take for in the bus square in the middle, interval temperature, in loose maybe few in the bus where run, we take around at 3-dimension, we take the factor 0.9. When you get it, you update to here with the preheat temperature determined before, and his input determine technique determine, and then we get the value of cooling rate and time TA per 5. How many seconds take time? And we need to increase temperature or not exactly for material with thermomechanical material or quenching tempering material should be considered. This one minimize cracking and what it might be applied. Okay, I need to unhide here, hide here. Okay, pot well apply or not up to you. Almost material with quenching material like RC 41445. Very important to apply both these things if you don't want to BWIT or AZ temperature follow up. Time and heating cooling in case of you apply BWIT. The other information you need to update here. Okay, next one we need to update the first slide in process number 1, process number 2, and process number 3. If you combine 3 processes, you can update full information in process 1, process 3, 2 until process 3. If the single process, you can only apply this slide enough. And then the parent line, another line process 2, you can omit and delete information. Yeah, you can take in case of you take for the single process. In case of you take single process here, only one process. You can see only one. 2 process you can combine here. So combine. Which form you would like to apply? Which form don't want to apply? You can make higher than this. Okay, for 3, you update from here. And flow electric designation, so easy. You can take from the ISO in the PQR on intrusion and essential variable in ISO 156 14.1. Yeah, so all information you take from there, and specification and manufacturer to be updated. In case of you apply this embedded lower than and colder than 20 degrees C to be updated, and consider trade name. And in case of trade name not available and for order, you should be considered during make the PQR, WPQR, very important to you. Trade name to update here. Manufacturer and trade name. Okay, for next one, for packing and writing, with fluke, baking line, covering electrodes, and straw wetting process 1 process to be applied, drying flow, and in oven how many degree, how many percent, and duration to be taken. Gas nozzle diameter applied for shielding gas where the gas shielding like one process 1 3 and 1 4 applied. A Boole current UFS from PQR. Boole current apply for mismatch process only apply for plasma and this wearing tensor analyzer to follow to apply. Here the specification you can infer them and interpretation the W mean, T mean, and 20 mean. Okay, another process not apply you can release or any in case of combine and this case not apply couple you stack Na. When you stack Na here, that means will be show here the Na. Here tensor analyzer and Boole current Na for FCW and Na for short wetting process. Okay, next one, we mode of material transfer for GMIW or mismatch wearing process process to be applied. Exactly, here we're using global transfer for 100% carbon dioxide syngas application because more than 20% of carbon dioxide not applied for spray transfer. Again, that's the reason we can see in the IW student book that explain very clearly for you. String and waving, okay, for string waving in care. The example you made in the last where with waving, you should be state the maximum waving you can apply. In the flat precision, you can make it easy, but in the vertical up, we have a waving. Have no choice, and so almost information you get from your PQR during qualification, you take care by layer width and depth of this path to be applied. And cleaning methods during applying the next layer to be stacked here follow. With the same with your PQR qualification, almost using for brushing or ready, almost using brushing for today. Oscillation not apply because not mechanical, almost manual, semi-automatic not apply for that case. Contact tip to vertical not apply for zeta adaptive bus. This one apply to saw wetting process or mismatch and focal wetting process to be applied. The range of qualification and dimension you take is exactly take from your PQR. You made a good product. How you think extension too long and short? This might different the sharp up well and penetration up well. So we should pick answer there correctly with your respect to make good production. Number of well almost manual using the single and multi with stardom electrode to be stack and stack your your weighing machine we have and location. We do not allow to change from single to multi and multi to single, so we need to be qualification. You should be stay correct from your PQR qualification. Multi-bar per side, all motor-based will make a multi-bar per side. In pressure vessel equipment, you may they require minimum 3 layers for pressure containing, except for some fields will make in the for structure, maybe using the single run, almost using single bars. Table of manufacture, table of weight process, manual, semi-automatic, or mechanics, or partial mechanics. You can state exactly from your PQR qualification, plasma weighting detail not applicable. You can state NA or none. A torque angle maybe not. Okay. For the last one, you should be state your any information not enough space for state. You should be not here, like with temperature and the cost of in the sitting here so long, you should be like here so easy, huh? Easy. And identification. Okay, with now flash horizontal, let's go. And overhead position something flash position do not show or position different. Okay, for the last one, we come back to check one by one and some information waiting parameter to be updated here. Which we detail in the data by will be updated to here. Except the weighting parameter, we need population to follow within the tolerance your hidden goods calculation. Weight information update here. The last one, your name and variation who that's my name in so this information to show up and set up by me already. When you get the information here, we set up your name and your qualification. And here we take, for example, you can do when we qualify and select the site from here, electrocyte, this one we will update from here, electrocyte. Okay, there are no information from now. We can stay exactly we got from your PQR qualification. But first, maybe for the first part, almost using the ZTIW, that means this inelastic grading process, filler method sizes like here. Pyramid Waller is the DCN application and race here from this column you could not update, but this update from the red color here. This one updates by your side and choosing, and we're using AMRIC update from here. For example, we take around 19 to AMRIC to 120 AMRIC and take from 10 to 11. Travel speed take from 70 until to I receive and input calculation automatic here. This one different with US vendors. We apply the K factor for all weighting recess less than 100% versus set or short weighting recess apply 1%, deposit 1%. His to the Wellman. Some weighting machine they could not they may not record the wave speed. You can delete ignore its information. Yeah, and maybe control during the Android adjustment in the weighting machine. They can adjust from there. Okay. If not, you should be information just like here exactly. We have the weighting machine very important. The reason when we using the automatic welding and mechanized as welding should be like the weighting machine. After finish the PQR qualification, we need to issue whether a weighting hour set qualify, and we need to select the weighting machine and trace name. Okay, for two weighting process example for WBS number 2, number 1 we take, so we can see another. We see another weighting process for 2 weighting process we update already. There are no, we can take in the WBS number 1, we will ignore the short weighting process. Yeah, short weighting we set to be small. Only thick welding and vertical welding process. Okay, for this we apply for root horse parts and few cap to apply by short welding 136 welding process for cold. And here we make the form number S1 a single process we're using the number the cost 2. Here we have the WBS, get from data different real-time word in pi plus single and non-backing. Most non-backing GTIW to apply for the root path instead of we apply and backing inside. If the by more than 500 millimeter, we can use in backing in the backside. It's okay. Through technique applied in the box where very position flash parameter qualify with the same group 1 by 1, 1 to 1 subgroup 1 by 1 to 1 by 2 or 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. Yeah, but together qualify BQR material technique maximum 6 millimeter minimum maximum outside diameter minimum 100 millimeter. Okay, follow this weighting variable we take from reference standards and BQR qualification. Here, all information, all information the nodes maybe no need to update here. With information, all will just be discussed with you in the data update. Example, we take another example for number 7. We qualify for parameter hard up to edit 400. This standards. This means one subject group 1 to 3, 1 by 1 2, and 1 to 1. Yeah, this state by yourself. You share range of qualification the technique from 2. Here, for the hard top, we require the bridge is very important. So that reason we can see in the note 2. The minimum heat temperature 109 T technically than 20 millimeter, 20 to 40 millimeter, and more than 40 millimeter. So when we consider for harder, very important to consider in the heat boost calculation. And now heat boost should be more than 1 kilojoule per millimeter. So we need to reduce travel speed, even up to you and your weather skill to make bus almost using your travel speed make to low, example for 50 millimeter or 76 millimeter per minute. Okay, we can increase our travel speed, temperature. Okay, we can check loading and heat temperature. We can see adjust here. Automatic to update to there. Okay. We can apply to increase the amperage, and here we can see the result. Okay, up to you. Exactly, qualification in the production is very important. We know, and we take for we take for harness with one qualification or not, and almost special material we have interaction. So don't worry, we try to update this. Next one we need to show with form and height, example, let's cover this PWBS. Let's show all. Okay, we can make another height and WBS. Here, information you can do updates here for mass from us already. You can get information and update by your side. This makes easy for you. Example, we want to make the WBS number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, or 14. When we update here, all information to show up automatically. I don't want to update this information, mismatch, and minimize our time. And then we can copy it from here to there. With one missing the logo here, you can insert and copy a new one. Insert a photo. Take insert photo imply in shell. That means the photo will be automatically arranged within this shell, not over based on this shell. Okay, over shell you can take from here. This shell you take from here. This list is okay. Your updates. You should be minimum information you would like to show. and enough information to show your client. This should be your company name, logo, WBS name, documentation, the date of preparation, who is prepared by us. Anybody can just take it. WBS no waiting process to be applied here automatically to get this uh, WBS number reference we take from with standard qualification, waiting position, waiting material group, kilometer size, using we should be stay correctly size uh, uh, kilometer designers and because that's one need to order before to start our work and during this need we should be not to your client. Current and all receipt to be updated here maybe choosing and they are not automatic update from this form. VWIT apply or not brand qualification we have two type of brand one diameter and another the technique and remark you want to remark. It might be this one modified by yourself. So easy. This cover you update your information, your project name, client, project documentation. Your client will give you this document before you submit your document and control update type of and remark issue for WAHAS. You sign your client sign and approve here. This is covered by up to you. Here the BWBS. Here the BWBS you can use and with the same WBS information you update here. But that's one different. When we subject to here, the range of qualification do not apply. We stay correct type of material, type of technique, and group material exactly. Here show group number from here to here is wrong. Yeah, weighting precision we have only a place should be made a single. So that reason we show here only one single rule. That you would like to combine that in the WBS easy. You make two picture and combine together. So I think the better should be make a single when process in the picture instead of you make the combine. Yeah. But his boost notice so you can hide. You don't want to hide this information. And this one different form. It will take for approve. Maybe we bear with you and approve by another your client. That you get approved, you can stack your information here at the last column. At the last column, you take your client name, or maybe you is not a blank cell. You show free cell, and all where the same with single process. Here another. Here is the WPQR. The WPQR we make with same in the ISO 15614 part 1. So we can update this information. This form, and this one we fix already. So you can adjust using free form here to update your information and correct item. Because there are some cell we need to fix. Don't want to ignore and unlock because this will make easy to run and out of this byte. I don't want that. That's the reason I fix some cell and one free form for you. Here, that's one free form for you. You may update this and make by you. As for the last one, I will like to summarize again. We have how many forms here? Which form we hidden already? Which form we show you and which data we updated you. And here I don't want to show all the data because the data follow your qualification WBS. With the symbol you can get too many in the internet and update your data. In case of you need a support, should be contact to me. Follow information here, my email, my website, where location shop, and here the list of price you can order and make the payment for us. Click to link and you can see how to make this. Okay, finally, thank you a lot for you watching my video. Thank you.